Today, I'll show you how to access your Namecheap cPanel step by step so you can quickly get to the tools you need to manage your hosting. Even if you're new to hosting or websites, don't worry, we'll go through this in a clear and simple way. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Namecheap website. Make sure you're on the official site and then log into your account using your usual credentials. Take a moment to confirm you're logged in by checking that you can see your account area at the top of the page. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main account dashboard. This is your central hub where you can see all of your products and services like domains, hosting, and any extras you may have purchased. From here, we want to focus on your hosting services because that's where the cPanel access lives. Look for the section or menu labeled Hosting List. This is where Namecheap shows you all the hosting plans associated with your account. Click on Hosting List, and you should now see a list of your active hosting packages. If you have more than one, take a second to identify the specific hosting plan you want to manage. This helps avoid clicking into the wrong account if you're working with multiple websites. Next to the hosting plan you want to access, you'll notice a small drop-down menu or a button with additional options. This is usually positioned to the right side of the hosting entry. Click on that drop-down to reveal a set of actions you can take for this particular hosting package. Among those options, look for the one that says Go to cPanel or simply cPanel. This is your direct shortcut into the control panel for that hosting account. Go ahead and click it. In most cases, Namecheap will log you into cPanel automatically without asking you to enter a separate username and password. This is designed to make access quick and secure from within your account dashboard. After a moment, you should be taken straight into the cPanel interface. You'll recognize it by the grid of icons and sections that give you access to things like file management, email accounts, databases, domain settings, and more. From here, you can upload website files, set up new email addresses, install applications like WordPress, and manage many other aspects of your site. If the cPanel page doesn't load right away or you see an error, try refreshing the page or opening it in a new tab. Also, make sure pop-ups aren't being blocked by your browser because sometimes the cPanel window may try to open in a new tab or window. That's all there is to it. You log into your Namecheap account, go to your dashboard, open the hosting list, use the drop-down next to your hosting plan, and click Go to cPanel. Once you're in, you have full access to all the tools you need to manage your website. Thanks for watching this walkthrough. Now that you know how to reach your Namecheap cPanel, you'll be able to get back to it quickly whenever you need to make changes to your hosting or your site.